Okay, we've got a leaking battery. I've just taken this out of the Prius, and as you can see, we got some corrosion right here on the side. Identifies very easily once you get everything out. I'll pull it apart and we'll see which batteries it actually was. It looks like it's 24 right here, just looking from the bottom. But we'll see where it is, and I'll make a part 2 of this and show you how to change them out. Okay, as you can see, that battery's at 6.27 volts. That's number 24, like I was talking about before. They should be somewhere around 7.6. Let's move this over to the next one. Let's see. There we go, 7.62. So I know everybody says you can't tell if it's bad because it's got low voltage, blah blah blah. Yeah, you can sometimes if it's extremely low compared to all the rest of them, and all the rest of these were 7.6, 7.6, 7.6, 6 point something, 7.6, 7.6, 7.6. They should be pretty darn close in voltage. And now that we got that out of the way, I've got the end off right here, and these should just start pulling off one at a time, coming off of there. Just like that. We'll pull back to there, replace that one, put it all back together.